Representative Roman Romulo revealed the lower house is discussing a proposal to shorten school year 2024 to 2025 to allow the education sector to revert back to the old school calendar immediately. The lawmaker maintained the best setup for learning is still face-to-face classes. However, due to circumstances that forced the Department of Education, or DepEd, to change the school calendar, which then consequently made it necessary for classes to still be held during the summer months. And with El Nino actually making the warmer climate even more unbearable, he believes it is high time to return the old schedule.
Po nila, meron silang nasubmit na mga alternatives sa Malacanang at kasama po doon ay yung pagpapaiksi na po nung pagbabalik ng panahon sa old academic calendar. Meaning, by next year, hopefully, yan na yung huling academic calendar na meron pang pasukan ng Abril. Pagkatapos po ng next year, balik na po talaga sa dating old academic calendar kung saan April at May magiging summer vacation na po ng ating mga teachers at ating mga mag-aaral. Kaya sa totoo po, sa amin sa house po, sang-ayon po kami na maibalik na sa ngayon kasi talaga nakikita po natin apektado yung continuity of learning.